not going! You can't not go!
You know I can't stand social events.
But I'm going to be performing there! Aren't you going to support me?
I stopped by to send you my well wishes. I'm sure you'll be perfect.
Remember when you told me you loved me? When you said you'd do anything for me?
That did not include dinner parties.
Excuse me? Oh, I'm sorry. I misunderstood the fine print on that one. Oh, you dumb, stubborn, old... Ah! Oh, fine. If you're going to be like that, I'll make sure I dance with every single guy at that party.
As if your stubborn father would ever allow that.
Please. He'll be so relieved that I'm not fussing over you, that he'll be overjoyed.
He wouldn't. Would he?
Well, I hope you have a fabulous time. By yourself.
Let's get going, Tiny.
Whoa, I didn't know you were going dressed like... that.
Good night, Grumphog.
Aurora, wait! I need to find a suit.
Introducing Mr. and Mrs. Sonic the Hedgehog and family.
Welcome, Hedgehog family.
Oh, thank chaos you're here!
You all look wonderful. But Sonic, I believe it is customary to wear a bow tie to black tie events.
That's what I've been telling him.
I put on pants, didn't I?
Harold's just so proud of you, babe.
Knock it off, Angel.
Is something wrong, Uncle Tails?
Oh, no. Those rich snobs are just a handful, that's all. I can't wait to hear you sing, Lightning Bug.
Introducing Mr. and Mrs. Knuckles the Echidna and family.
Welcome, all of you.
Thanks for having us. Boys, what do we say?
Thank you for inviting us to this elegant affair!
I didn't mean you too, Knuckles.
Miss Worry!
Hey, T-Man. Hey, Ruff. I've never seen you boys looking so fresh.
Mom put snot in our fur!
Hair gel, T-Bone. But it might as well be snot. Bleh.
My date stood me up. Maybe I can steal a dance with you two so I don't have to spend the entire evening by myself.
Introducing Mr. Shadow the Hedgehog.
Wow!
Hey, you watch your mouth, young lady.
I'm glad you changed your mind.
Me too. I'm sorry about earlier. You look phenomenal.
Back off, creep.
Oh, I didn't realize compliments were against the rules. Great parenting skills, Sonic.
Now, everybody, listen. We're all going to be polite and get along and not fight at our friend's party. Or so help me, I will beat you all into the ground.
Curious. I was looking forward to Styx attending.
Don't take it personally. This really isn't Styx thing.
Thought you could pull a fast one on Styx, eh? Inviting me to your evil robot party. I've got my eye on you.
I've got a crush on you, sweetie pie, all the day and night time. Hear me sigh, I've never
Let us dance now.
had the
I
least
actually don't know how.
notion
You are
that I
encouraged to
could
step on my feet if you
fall
require assistance.
with such emotion.
You know, normally the rules are supposed to be reversed, but hey,
Could
let's wing it.
Oh, Sonic.
Could
Whenever we
you
dance, it's like the world
care
stops spinning.
Oh,
for a cunning
I better fix that.
cottage we could share? The world will pardon my mush, 'cause I've got a crush, my baby, on you.
Sorry you're stuck dancing with me while your woman sings. People have been asking me to show up in one of my comics, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity.
Wait, what was that?
So, how are things with Tails?
Mostly pleasant, though there continues to be a language barrier at times. It is so peculiar. In my former life, my purpose was to translate languages between computers. Yet, with Tails, there is so much I still do not understand.
Oh, don't worry, Cece. It will come with time. Sonic and I are so close we don't have to talk with words anymore. Watch this.
Hmm?
It worked? What did you tell him?
Oh, just that we forgot something back at the house.
Sorry, Cece. I'm gonna steal my away from you for a bit.
We'll be back!
Impressive.
Dad! Can I? Please? Have the leg? Only take just the leg, I swear!
Of course you can, bud.
Yes, thank you!
Just hand me your plate.
It's mine at last!
Return my appendage, or I shall exact the law of Talion upon you!
That's the spirit, T-Bone. Stuff this fancy party.
Okay, so while everyone was focusing on the kids, I accidentally stole this necklace from someone. Ooh, this looks delicious.
Huh?
Come here.
As much as I'd love to knock you on your drunk tail, need I remind you that we agreed not to fight tonight?
Keep walking, tough guy.
Wait, I don't understand. Ugh,
Bartender, get this pipsqueak a drink.
you don't have to do that.
Oh, but I do. See, I've come to the painful realization that I'm stuck with you. So let's drink up and let me pick your brain. That's what in-laws do, right?
Get your finger out of my face before I rip it off your hand.
Cheers, you son of a... Wait, are you even old enough to drink, little grandpa baby?
1 hour later.
What did I miss? Have they killed each other?
No, they've just been talking.
I just can't believe my daughter had to pick a genetically engineered mutant to date. And just what are you laughing at?
I just pictured the bio lizard showing up at your door and it talks like, "Hey, Pops!"
No. But Daddy, I love him. Aurora. He's a salamander.
Stop! It hurts. It hurts.
I love you, man. But I still want to kick your teeth in.
You're like my friend, but I can't freaking stand you.
We should do karaoke.
Yes!
My dad and my boyfriend are making drunk jokes about me.
Well, at least they're bonding?
12 o'clock midnight.
You all must be cleansed of your hoity-toity facade!
Sticks threw me into a dumpster!
Come on, throw something else in. I can keep this up for ages.
It's a family heirloom.
Put your party pants on, Leroy.
Hate is a strong word, but I really don't like you. Don't like you. I really don't like you.
Get off the stage!
I'll fucking kill you!
Shut up.
I am the
Stop.
ultimate karaoke.
In the name of love.
I'm the coolest.
Play the cool boy, you're a real cool. And then you go ba-da 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 da da.
You have to give it all back, Rouge. Your thieving days are behind you.
You can't make me, you stubborn brute!
Tumble, you get down here and give Cece her leg back.
No!
Give it back, T-Bone! Her hand won't stop attacking me!
Well, I've been set on fire. This is my cue to go home. Love the party.
Wow, this party went to hell, and I had nothing to do with it! So, that dress is really flattering on you.
Why am I on the floor? Why am I wearing clothes? Why is he in my house?
Well, let's see. The two of you drank the place dry and refused to be separated for the rest of the night. So you invited Shadow over to build a pillow fort. Oh, and you both thought it would be hilarious to bring up embarrassing Aurora stories. She made you both breakfast, though. Guess she's not that bitter about it.
Good morning. I thought you guys might be hungry, so I made you this. No hard feelings, right? Oh, and I took the liberty of developing the photos from last night. Don't worry about distributing them. By the time you wake up, I would have already hand-delivered them to everyone. P.S. This is my fave, Aurora.
Oh, wait. Yes, she is.
Oh, sweet chaos.
I give you permission to kill me now.
That's my girl.
What the? Rouge!
So, you didn't come to bed last night. You decided to work instead?
I do not require sleep, remember?
Yes, but... well, I'm sorry about the party.
You are forgiven. However, I revoke your privilege to host any more of these events.
Actually, now that you mention it, I already agreed that we would...
I forbid the hosting of future events.
Holy crud! Cece, I was kidding!
Regulate your heartbeat. It was only a taunt. I could not harm you, even if I tried.
I'm sorry again. And, you looked really pretty last night. I meant to tell you earlier. I'll just get to work now.
I completed most of today's task while you were sleeping. I proposed the idea to use the spare time to do a leisurely activity together. Perhaps to make up for last night, so to speak. And you look quite pretty as well.
Hey guys, Chris here, or Chris the Hedgehog, Chaos of the Protectors, or Chris VA here. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching the comic dub. I do want to also thank E-Vay, the creator of the Fancy Party Shenanigans, for allowing me to dub it, but also joining me and my friends in the comic dub. But I do also want to give a shout out to the people who joined in on the comic dub. I want to give a shout out to my girlfriend who played Rouge, but also who helped edit the video. the comic dub. I also want to thank my bro Josh Hodgson for playing Knuckles for the comic dub as well as Dr. Kelp as Shadow, a Blue Moon 88, also known as Sydney, and for playing Tails, as well as my good friend Doom the Moon Queen, who joined in as Amy. Also want to give a big shout out to Kitty Cat, also known as Danielle, for joining in as Aurora. My other good friends Tara Shamlark as Ruff, as well as my other bro Omar Connolly as Tumble, as well as Honey Hot Kiss for joining in as Cece the Robot Cat, as well as my good friend EG as Styx, and my good friend Eggman Empire playing as Dr. Eggman. They have all been wonderful friends for helping out with this comic dub. Make sure you guys do subscribe to their channels. Their channels will be down in the description below, but also check out E-Vay's Tumblr page where you'll see all of our artwork, as well as the same comic dub we had dubbed in the video itself. So, if you guys want to see more of this, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, as well as subscribe to my wonderful friends. Until then, see ya!